Hi, Spooky Ghost fam. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do this Tim Burton Jack Skellington inspired orange and black Halloween cord. And don't forget to stay tuned after the tutorial, or if all you care about is the memes, hit this in the video chapters to be led to a blooper reel of Star just being the goofiest guy he could be. I love it when he gets hyper and we just goof around. First steps first, I'm pulling my hair up with my favorite Halloween headband. You want to make sure your hair is all out of the way, especially for a detailed ghosty look. Next, I'm going in with my NYX eyeshadow primer in the shade Pearl. This shade is actually really glittery, so it makes every eyeshadow that goes on top of it glittery. That is my little secret of why my looks are all glittery so much. Don't do a shot every time I say glittery, please. And you won't be seeing me use any foundation this time because I am completely out. But do not let this stop you from creating to your heart's content. Now I'm going in with this light gray shade from my Naked Smoky palette, and we're just going to be adding that all around the eyes to create a sunken in effect. This is always a good base for my Hello Ghosty looks. It starts getting those Tim Burton vibes right away. What you're going to do is you're just going to want to go in a very round direction from the inner corner into the outer corner and just repeat that till you're completely happy. And then you're going to soften that out so the gray is not so harsh. Now I am taking my Simpsons Makeup Revolution Treehouse of Horror palette and I'm going into the shade Frogurt. This is this really pretty light orange and we're adding that onto the lid as a base shade. Now I'm going back into that light gray shade and I'm just reapplying it so it appears a little bit more darker, and then I am blending that out again. Now I am going into a darker black shade and we are just going to be adding some shape into this look. I'm going around the outer corner and then dragging it out to be kind of a more of an edge, similar to how you would do a wing liner, and then I'm bringing that into the middle of my eye, not all the way inward. I'm going into this really bright orange shade and we're just adding that onto the edge of the orange we already have down, just to kind of add a little bit more of a pop to that lighter orange shade. And now it is finally time for eyeliner. I'm going to be trying to do my wing in the shape of our edge that we already have down, and this just adds a little bit more of extra sharpness. As you can see, I didn't completely cover up where we had the orange and black. I just went a little bit under it. Also, I am using e.l.f. liquid liner. This is literally my favorite go-to holy grail eyeliner. I do not like what they've done with it though. They've changed it into a more watery consistency, I swear. Taking a break from the eyes and going in with this NYX Epic Ink liner to line my lips. This was such a cool idea that I've started doing recently because this eyeliner is all like screwed up, so basically it only works to like line or do details or anything. It doesn't work super for my eyeliner that I usually do because it has those kind of things where it kind of breaks off. So anytime I do my eyeliner with it, I smudge it, which is okay with the lips. Now I'm taking my NYX primer again, and I'm just going to be putting that all over the lips, and then I'm going to be adding some black eyeshadow on top of that. Now this is not an all day stay situation. You're probably going to have to reapply it a lot if you're wearing this to like an event or something, but I didn't have black lipstick, so I made do with what I had. Now I'm taking my e.l.f. eyeliner again, and we are doing the skeleton mouth details. All you have to do is draw a line upward from the corner of your mouth and then draw stitches as you please. I try to be as free-handed with these as possible. Even if it looks messy, it still adds onto the aesthetic. Now we are taking the shade Caramel God. It's this really pretty glittery yellowish orange shade, and we are just adding that to the center of the lips. This might have been my favorite detail of this whole look. It really added even more onto the Halloweeny vibes. And then I'm taking the bright orange we used on our eyes, and I'm just adding that to the edges of that just to give more of an orange tint. I'm finally going back into my eyes and adding that ghosty flare, that cartoon goth flare that we all love, taking my primer and adding it under my eyes in a very rounded shape. And then I'm going to be taking some eyeliner, adding a just false bottom base, and then going in and adding some color and adding the fake lashes. Now that I have that base down, I'm going into that light gray again and just adding it under the eye. This brings the sunken in eye effect full circle. I'm going in with the lighter orange shade. I'm just adding that very carefully, just directly under that base shade. I wanted just a hint of orange under the eyes. Now it is finally time to draw on our fake lashes. I usually start with the all the way out to the outer corner. They go with different styles, but I try to fill in the gaps with more lashes. I went for a very spiky yet curved style for this look. And they do not have to be matching on both sides, just close enough for it not to be noticeable that they're not entirely matching. You get me? And then I just keep adding the lashes till I'm happy. You could be as creatively free with this part of the step as you want to be.
God, babe.
From Minions, here with my favorite Oral. Yes, please bring me pizza. Oh, you know me,
I hate you.
That's amazing. Oh my god. That's fucking hysterical.
I hate you so much. What now?
Harry Potter, the boy who lived to smoke Magdalix.
Babe. What the hell? Star is apparently hyper from the memes today. I love him. You gotta love him. Yeah, it's our friend Chris's fault. He started the meme war. The meme war is happening! The nonsense in my house today is unreal. The nonsense in my house today is unreal.